The VSD 50/60 is a walk-behind floor scrubber dryer designed for efficient wet cleaning of large indoor surfaces. It combines scrubbing and drying in one pass, so floors are left clean and dry without the need for mops or manual effort. It's ideal for commercial, industrial, and large public spaces where regular mopping is slow and ineffective. But, like any high-performing machine, it can sometimes run into issues. So as you saw, the plastic got stuck in this machine. And don't worry, I know how to fix this. This can happen when small plastic pieces get caught in the suction or brush area, blocking the flow and disrupting performance. Step 1. Detach the dryer brush component. Step 2. Disconnect and separate the suction pipe from the machine. Step 3. Carefully remove the plastic stuck. Step 4. Reattach the components securely. Step 5. To ensure optimal performance, clean the filter before restarting the machine. Step 6. Turn all controls on the machine. You're ready to start cleaning. VOOT Resources, we make a difference.